Today in this video we will see how to prepare anti-hair fall hair pack. This hair pack not only reduces hair fall but also helps in hair growth. So come, let's see how to prepare this hair mask. For the ingredients you will need 3 lotus flower, henna paste and aloe vera leaf powder. I will leave the links in the description box. Take a mixer, add lotus petals into it. Add 3 spoons of henna paste. Add 2 spoons of aloe vera powder. Add some water and grind it well. This is how the hair mask looks like after grinding. Section your hair and apply this onto your scalp and hair. Lotus provides intense repair for healthier and shinier hair. It supports thicker hair growth and make it stronger. It is also a natural conditioner. It treats split ends, dandruff and prevents hair fall. Henna helps to reduce a premature graying of hair. Henna contains vitamin E which helps to soften the hair. It also moisturizes the hair, leaving it soft and voluminous. Aloe vera rejuvenates the dry scalp and hair. It reduces hair fall by strengthening the hair roots. Leave the hair pack for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wash your hair with shikakai or shampoo. Do not blow dry your hair after this. Let the hair dry naturally. Do this weekly once and see your hair fall reduce in just 1 month. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Deepti, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.